It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2016 Buick Encore Premium. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and a child lock button. The Premium comes with the premium Bose sound system, the programmable memory seat, and the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Power sunroof up above. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side are the audio buttons. Here we have our Infotainment Center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. Here is our home screen, and this screen also doubles as our backup camera. Down below are the audio buttons, the climate control buttons, heated front seats, lane departure alert, park assist, and some USB and power plugins. At the front of the Encore, we've got fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.4-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, and we'll take a peek in the trunk. It's quite spacious. We've got a cargo net, some hooks, side storage pockets, and a storage compartment that is located down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console is a 120-volt power plug-in. This middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2016 Buick Encore Premium today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at WesternGMCBuick.com.